Hello children, I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe at home. So let's continue our today's class. In the previous video, we learned the ancient means of communication. Like in earlier days, how did the people used to communicate? So first is smoke signal. The people use smoke as a signal to collect people. Okay, and to transmit news and for this. And secondly, drums were used to get to for long distance communication and for ceremonies and all. Third is runners in pony mill. Human runners or the horse or the horse riders were used to carry the mails. And the fourth is carrier pigeons. The pigeons were used to carry the letter for long distances. So these we discussed in the previous video. Now today we will learn, today we'll study about the modern means of communication. So modern means of communication. What are the modern means of communication? Today we can see the variety of communication system that are available to us. Why this? Because of the advanced technology. So here first come postal services. You all must have seen the post offices and must have gone there. So the France was the first country who set up a postal service in 1477, and later on Britain also introduced postal service in 1635. And in India, this postal service was introduced by the British like around 150 years ago. Now, India became the first country in Asia to issue the postage stamps. Okay, then comes telegraph. Telegraph is what? It is a method of sending messages over long distances using wires, and the wires that carry electrical signals. And telegraphs send electrical pulses in a special code, and that code is called Morse code. Then comes printing press. What is printing press? Now printing press, now it was invented in 1440 CE. And this is an important invention because it can share large amount of information very quickly and in huge quantities. And for this, posters are used, flyers, pamphlets, magazines, newspapers, books, etc., etc. These are used for this. Okay, to share the information. Then comes televisions and radios. Now you all have televisions at your home. Okay, so televisions are used to transmit messages, and radios are also used to transmit messages to a very large number of people. Those are sitting at different locations. They sit at home, and they just receive the messages transmitted by the television or radios. And these are also a source of entertainment because we get entertained through these televisions and radios by the songs and the movies and the cartoon, and so many other things are there on the television that we can see and that we can listen and can be entertained. Okay, then comes next is telephones and mobile phones. Now telephone. Now who invented telephone? Do you know that? Yes, Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented this telephone. And these telephones, these are stationary. Stationary means these are fixed at a place. We cannot take the telephone anywhere, wherever we go. But we can carry our mobile phones wherever we go. It is not stationary. So the mobile phones are more convenient to use and to carry. Now telephones and mobile phones, these connect the people, those who are sitting very far from us, and very instantly. Okay, then after that comes fax machines. Fax machines. Now a fax is the telephonic transmission, means through telephone it is transmitted. What is transmitted? Of scanned in printed material. The printed material which is scanned, it can be transmitted. Now fax machine, through the fax machine people can send or receive messages instantly, means very quickly. Then comes computers and the internet. Today, in today's date, everybody use this computers and the internet. Now, so this is the very empowering invention, you can say now, because very powerful invention is this. Now, computers, it is used to gather information for writing also, for learning and for working. So for so many things, computers are used. Now, in this computer, email, you can see, email, it is a faster way of communication than a letter. Okay, because in a few seconds, it can reach the recipient, then few days, because a letter takes few days to reach the recipient, but email, it takes just a few seconds. Okay, then the last one comes satellites. Now, what are satellites? Satellites, you all know, the satellites are natural also and they are man-made also. Okay, so they are man-made machines, those artificial satellites, these are the man-made machines, and they are launched into space, and there it revolves around the earth and other celestial bodies. Now, satellite use radio waves. It use radio waves to send signals into the earth, sorry. Now, why are they used satellites? Why are the satellites used? They are used to transmit telephone, television and GPS signal. Do you know the meaning of GPS signal? GPS means, the full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. It means it is a system through which satellites send the signals to show what the position of a person on earth. Okay, so it is called GPS signals. So they also capture and send signals about weather. About weather also it captures and send the signals. So this today we have completed this lesson number 2. And if you have any queries and doubt regarding this lesson or the topics we discussed today, you can mail me and ask your queries. And this much for today. Thank you.